Hi, I'm Karl Taylor. I'm an advertising and product photographer, and today I'm going to give you my 5 tips for shooting shiny objects. So, tip number 1 is to remove unwanted reflections. And if you use the light cone, you can block out any unwanted reflections from the glossy subject that you're shooting, because it forms a complete barrier and surround around the product. Tip number 2, save yourself the problem of cutting objects out by using my technique of a glass level to create no cutout, perfect white backgrounds. With this technique, you can use the light cone, photograph your object, and get pure, clean white backgrounds with no need for a cutout. Tip number 3, if you'd like to add a gloss black stripe look to your products, then you can just simply apply some black tape to the light cone to create that look on shiny objects. Tip number 4, no studio lights? No problem. You can use the light cone diffusion material to diffuse the light from speed lights, LED lights, even desk lamps or natural light. And by using that diffusion material, you can create that luxurious lighting look on your product shots. Tip number 5, positioning your products. Just because you're shooting down or at a 45-degree angle with the light cone doesn't mean you can't be a little bit more creative with the positioning of your products. You can use blocks and props to angle them or elevate them. You can even position your products vertically and use the light cone at a different angle. Those were my 5 tips for shooting shiny objects. I'm Karl Taylor. If you'd like to see more of my product work, you can find it on karltaylor.com. If you'd like more great tips and tutorials, try karltayloreducation.com, and you can follow me on Instagram at Karl Taylor Photography.